welcome to Tip Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks on how to improve your attics, basements, crawl spaces, and even your ductwork. Stay tuned. On today's tip, we're going to be talking about the Watchdog alarm system. This very handy tool will inform you whether or not you have a leak. You can install these in every place that you think that you might encounter leaks, whether it be your hot water system, your AC unit, even your fridge. The way it works is it has two sensors at the bottom to where if it detects water, a very high-pitched noise will emit, very much like your smoke alarm when it goes out of battery. This will let you know if you have a leak and will let you address the problem before it gets out of control. Unlike me, I did not have this alarm system in place at my house, and I learned the hard way how summer and humidity can destroy your walls if you leave it unchecked and you have a water leak. Find this and other products in our DIY store.